everyone. The idiom of the day is, no pain, no gain. Let's see the meaning of this idiom. The meaning of this idiom is, you have to work for what you want. For example, students work hard so they can be successful. They must remember no pain, no gain. Now let's look at the examples sentences. Number 1, since the day I was born my mother always says no pain, no gain. Number 2, regardless of whatever we do, we should always remember the truth, no gains without pains. Number 3, he road to becoming a PLA is long, hard, and exhausting. But no pain, no gain. Number 4, the saying no pain, no gain is the key to our success and rewards and always inspires us to work harder. Number 5, I wake up early in the morning and go to school on time because I know that no pain, no gain. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.